The knowledge, collective knowledge that the people have, and also the content of the seminars that AWI provides it's phenomenal.
For us, the AWI partnership brings me to our clients. It keeps us up to speed with their needs. It also keeps us relevant, and we use the convention and attendance to keep in touch with our clients from all across the country.
AWI drives 100% how we build things, which is very, very important. But also what I learn here from a leadership standpoint allows me to go back to my team and build a better team.
The benefit, the value of what we find out of AWI, it's pretty simple. A lot of our customers are AWI members. We are out to engage our customers, but also support the industry. We believe that if we all are cohesive in learning about woods, our industry, it helps us all benefit with stronger projects.
So I know that if I have any question, there's people that I'm not afraid to ask inside of AWI. Financial questions, standard levels, and they will give me an honest answer back, if I'm right or wrong.
AWI to me really just means value. It's a community of like-minded business owners that come together in a group to learn from each other, but also lean on AWI to help them with member benefits, resources, tools, education, and of course the development of industry standards.